Take a ride in the 2024 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine and standard airbags and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, remote trunk release, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers, Bluetooth, smart device integration. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.